The Clarke CGLK1 lifting kit contains everything you need to safely raise a vehicle in a DIY or professional environment. A 2-ton trolley jack, 2 2-ton axle stands, 2 steel wheel chocks, a handle for the jack, and an instruction manual are all supplied in a sturdy molded carry case. Lightweight and portable, this kit will enable you to easily replace parts, repair or perform maintenance on your vehicle, both safely and efficiently. Fitted with the lifting handle, the jack is built with a strong steel chassis, with 2 rear casters and 2 widely spaced front wheels for stability and easy maneuverability. This great trolley jack has a low saddle height of 135 millimeters, lifting to a maximum of 340 millimeters. The operating handle is used to raise the jack and also to twist the release valve for lowering the vehicle after use. The wheel chocks are used to prevent any vehicle movement when the vehicle is being jacked on a level surface or parked on a slight incline. Before working on the vehicle, it should be lowered onto the 2 collapsible axle stands, which should be positioned at appropriate points according to your vehicle's handbook. For safety, a pressure relief valve prevents overloading of the jack. With a lifting capacity of 2 tons and strong and stable wheel chocks and axle stands, the CGLK1 lifting kit is the perfect addition for any car enthusiast, workshop or garage.